Start again.
Hello everyone, now I am in Bang Saen ค่ะ and I come to visit ทะเลทางบางแสนนะคะ I want to try a very good delicious food again นะคะ everyone let's go
We're in Bang Saen, Thailand, right by the sea. Not a fancy place, just real local life. And today we stopped at this small spot, Talay Thang Seafood. It doesn't look like much at first. Plastic chairs, simple tables. But that's usually where the best food is. Everything here feels local. No tourist menus, no decoration. Just people coming to eat. You can already smell the seafood. Fresh, straight from the ocean. You see the ingredients before anything starts. Fish, shrimp, crab, and much more. No shortcuts here. Then the cooking begins. You hear it before you see it. That sound of oil hitting the pan. Everything is homemade. Husband and wife working together. They know what they are doing. No measuring, no hesitation. Just experience. They are constantly moving. No time to rest. Everything comes together really quickly. You can tell they've done this thousands of times. And it smells amazing. The kind of smell that makes you hungry instantly. Then the food is ready. No fancy plating. Just big portions straight to the table. This is how people actually eat here. You sit down, grab your food, and just enjoy. There is not only seafood, you can have a lot of different delicious food here. The freshness, the balance of flavors. You get everything. You don't need anything else. Around you, life keeps going. Scooters passing by, people talking, laughing. It's busy but relaxed. No one is in a rush. This is how Thai people really are. That's what makes this place special. It's not about the look. It's about the feeling. And the food, of course. Every dish is made the same way. Fresh, fast, and full of flavor. You can see why locals come here, again and again. It's simple, but it works every time. No need to overthink it. Just good food, good atmosphere, at a good price. And the sea right there. That's all you need. Places like this, you don't find them in guides. You just come across them. And when you do, you remember them? Not because they're fancy, but because they're real. Talay Thang Seafood. Just good and fresh food by the sea. And sometimes, that's exactly what you're looking for. Just sitting here, eating, watching life go by. Nothing more, nothing less. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have been to Thailand, and what is your favorite food and places to eat. Thank you for watching.
Everything looks very yummy. Thank you very much นะคะ
ค่ะสวัสดีค่ะชื่อเจมส์นะคะขายทะเลถังอยู่ที่หาดวรรณภาบางแสนนะคะชลบุรีอยู่ที่ตลาดวรรณปาร์คนะคะเปิดหยุดแค่วันจันทร์วันเดียวนะคะตั้งแต่ 4 โมงเย็นจนถึง 5 ทุ่มแล้วก็เที่ยงคืนถ้าหมดก่อนก็จะปิดก่อนนะคะ Thank you บ๊ายบาย